we're going to have a crack at the C chord. Now, the C chord was quite simply the bane of my early guitar adventures. So if you struggle with this one, look, I won't be surprised. So we'll start off though, it's got a familiar start to it. So first finger on the first fret of the B string. Okay, now your second finger goes on the second fret of the D. Now that's similar to your A minor, it's got the same notes in it. Then we get our third finger up on the third fret. So this is the trick here, you're really stretching all the way up the guitar and across it as well. Now you'll notice here, if I'm sitting my fingers like this, you're going to deaden a lot of strings, you know, you sort of be touching them a lot. So I've got my thumb tucked up there and I'm really grabbing the neck here to squeeze it down. So there's a bit of a trick there, and you really want to make sure you push your elbow forward. So over here, this elbow, push it forward so that you're coming down straight on top of these notes, okay? So using the tips of your fingers, coming down straight on top. Now with the C, we don't actually want to play that top string, the E, and we'll just go from that A string. So this is C major. It's the center of the universe as far as chords go. So we need to get this one down. Now, I encourage you as well to actually pick through these notes and actually see that they're all getting played. Now, I'm the first defender of deadening the odd string on this one, but it does sound much better if you actually get all the strings coming out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Now, this chord really beautifully goes with the A minor. So if you've had a look at fast changing, or you've jumped across to do this one first, this is really where it comes from. The C major and that A minor, they're relative. So it's the relative minor to the C major. So it sounds absolutely beautiful. You notice here as well, I'm actually just dulling that top string. So this is a little trick just to be a little bit lazy on the guitar. So I can actually just strum away, and I'm not actually going to hear that big booming E string. So feel free to do that. It's there's nothing wrong with that. So, and you can hold it for the A minor. Okay, so there you go, C major. Have a practice, make sure you get that ringing going through, and strum away with this one. We'll see you next time.